Okay, so whatever you were expecting from this expression and the result of this expression is that might be different. So let me explain this expression in a minute. In Python, the priority, actually in mathematics, this is the priority, right? Division has the maximum priority, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. In Python, we have division and multiplication as same authority. Same priority, not authority. So division and multiplication have the same priority, which is the first priority, and then addition and subtraction have the second priority, which is again the second priority. So the third thing is, which is the most important thing, again I have already mentioned you guys, the execution always starts from left hand side to right hand side. Okay, so it will start reading from left hand side. Okay, from left hand side to right hand side, we have a division expression that is coming first. So it will first of all evaluate this division expression, which is 10 divided by 5, right? So the result will be 2. 10 divided by 5 is 2, right? And rest of the expression will come as it is, right? I've just copied and pasted this of expression, and I have evaluated this expression manually. Now again, from left to right, again, we have multiplication first. Yeah, it has the maximum priority. So it will be solved first. 2 multiplied by 3 is what? 6, right? So I'll say 6 and rest of the expression as it is. Then again, starting from left-hand side to right-hand side, first of all, we have addition, but we also have multiplication as well. So multiplication has more priority. So it will solve this part of expression first, right? So if it will solve this part of expression, 1 multiplied by 2 is going to be 2, right? So it is going to be 2 like this. So this is going to be the remaining expression. Then again, starting from left to right, 6 plus 2. Since we neither have division, we neither have multiplication. So anything addition or subtraction that comes at left hand side has the maximum priority. So 6 plus 2 is going to be 8. So it is going to be 8 minus 3. And finally, we have 8 minus 3, which is 5. And that's it. So the thing is, it starts evaluating from left to right. Let me repeat. Whichever comes first, division or multiplication, it will evaluate that particular expression. If none of these, division or multiplication, is available in the expression, then it will look for either addition or subtraction. The thing is, division and multiplication have same priority. Addition and subtraction have same priority. Starting from left-hand side to right-hand side, whichever comes at left-hand side first between addition and subtraction and division and multiplication. So this is how we evaluate a long expression if we have any. In next video, we are going to talk about strings a little bit.